To fix the problem where your JBL Live Pro 2 is not charging, first thing we need to try is to check the USB-C charging port on our case. And I have one right here. As you can see, there might be a reason why they are not charging, and the reason is this big chunk of dust. And you can try to remove it using something like a needle, SIM ejection tool, or any similar things. So try to not damage your USB-C port and remove any dust. Then you can blow some air into the port. You can use your mouth to actually blow that air, but try not to get any saliva inside of your USB-C port. I'm gonna blow right now. So now my USB-C port is perfectly cleaned. Next step, if your earbuds are not charging instead, you can remove them like this, and then there's 2 pins for each side that charge your devices. And you can use something like a cloth, make sure not to water it, just try to swipe it like that, and then your device should charge perfectly. And that is basically everything.